Christmas, everyone. Hi! So it is December 22, 11:30 p.m. Well, I just put on my mask and now I am just answering some business inquiries and having my breakfast all at once. Multitasking. Coffee in my face and coffee in my body.
This is just a dream come true. It's a huge conversation.
So the current situation of our Christmas tree and gifts. Ooh. And also my cactus died. I don't know what happened. Look at that. Poor baby. So it's 3:50 p.m. and I'm so freaking bored. So I'm gonna organize this closet right here. So now I just finished my school and now I am just waiting for my letter of graduation so that I can apply for a work permit. Wow. In the meantime, I'm just gonna clean up my things and find motivation in it. Let's go. Three-D glasses. So I cut this in 3 pieces, but surprisingly, it lasted long. And I don't know, feel ko, kasi hindi naman siya nakatulong sa face ko. Like, wala siyang significant effect. Teeth whitening. But I ran out of battery, so I'm not using it anymore. This puking bags. I think puking bags yung tawag dito. But funny story, when I was still in college, sumakit yung tiyan ko. And my friend Angel and Carlos, they decided to call my auntie and call an ambulance. When I went to the hospital and they interviewed me, they gave me the bill. And it's $1,200. So, I decided na, okay, uwi na lang tayo. Wala akong pambayad dyan. So, yeah, ang ginawa ni Carlos, kumuha na lang siya ng mga puking bags dun sa gilid. Kasi it's free. So, sabi niya, oh yan, uwi mo na lang yan. Souvenir yan. So, now I have 3 puking bags just in case. Memories. My God. These are my fake nails in white color and my lash lift. So first you have to use this cleaning tool, and then this leaf pads is we will put this in your eyes using the glue, this one, using this. Okay, and then after that naka-glue na lahat. I-prepare mo na siya, and which is this one.
Number 1, and then after that, fixation, and then nutrition, and then transfer once it's done.
Medyo effective siya ng slight if may patience ka gumawa. Breakfast. Hello, it's Wednesday, December 23. I decided to go out and walk around because it's a nice weather today. It's very rare and it's already winter, so I'm just wearing this. Okay, bye. And I'm out. Ang lamig, oh my god. But it's okay. By the way, it's 1 p.m. and it still looks like morning.
You know, it's so refreshing when you go out with the intention of just, walking around or sightseeing and not going out to work or going to groceries. So, I love this day! So that spot right there is where I used to work out before, nung spring. But now, look at this. Okay, so maybe let's see the archery muna. And then, let's go to the other side of the park because I haven't been there. So, this way muna. Bye! Okay, so I forgot to track my walk. My god. Anyway, it's almost 1. Tripod. Just this. And then you're gonna put your phone there. Tripod. In the wild. Thank you. Ooh. Ilog. Sarap maligo. But it's cold. And that white there, it's snow. Hindi pa siya natutunaw. Mahilig sila mag-shoot ng disc. Mag-throw ng disc, I mean. So they have this target that is all over the park. You're gonna see a lot of that later. Very serious sila sa ganyan. Another creepy place. Let's see. What's inside the woods? Grabe, parang may anacondang lalabas or crocodile. What the hell is this? Upuan ba to? Or may ahas? I think I'm gonna take a picture here. Ang ganda. Oh my god, I think this is a cemetery. So when you see those kind of cement, it means that this tree is planted in behalf of that person. It is frozen. Okay, now I am going home. we went to the groceries and I bought this ingredients because I'll be making charcuterie bowl. On the side, I bought ingredient chips, pistachio, Gouda cheese, 1-year-old cheddar cheese, 2 packs of charcuterie trio, grapes and apples, Melba toasts. For our drinks, I paired it with our sparkling white wine, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for all my gifts. Thank you, Tita Eva, for my Apple Watch, for the soap, and for this. Thank you, Ate Pao, for my morning pages. Oh my god, I super love this. And for this, thank you, Renal, for my Aritza. Thank you, Roll Family, for this. Thank you, Ate Jo, for my jacket and for my wallet. And thank you, Kuya Ron, for my jade roller and for my makeup brushes. Thank you! So that's it for me. Thank you for watching and have a Merry Christmas. Bye!